it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming a what is in my handbag for 2019. I just wanted to say Happy New Year everyone. This is the first video that I've done of this year and thank you so much for all of the support last year. We've literally grown so much and I hope 2019 we can grow even more because YouTube is what I really enjoy doing. And I thought I'd spice up my background a little bit this year, so I've just got some waterfall fairy lights, so let me know down below what you think. And also let me know if you want me to do a room tour soon because I've changed a few bits in my room, so it's kind of different to my last one that I did. So yeah, I'm going to start off this video by showing you my bag. This is my bag. I got it for Christmas. I absolutely love it. It's just from Michael Kors. It's making my lighting go so weird because obviously it's black. But it's the Michael Kors Jet Set bag, I think, in black. I got this for Christmas and I love it so much. Like, it's just the perfect size because it's not too big and it's not too small. It just like fits everything in that I need it, and it comes up quite big on camera, but in real life it's not really that big at all. And a load of people in my what I got for Christmas video were hating on me, saying that this bag is fake. This bag is not fake. I got it for a Christmas present from my mum and dad, and my mum and dad would not buy me a fake handbag because they want me to have a real one. I don't know if it's like the lighting, so I use a studio light so it might reflect and make it look plasticky or something, but this is genuine. I'll link it down below if you want to purchase it, because it is a really nice handbag and I'm so grateful for it. And make sure you give the video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. The light is reflecting on it, so like it kind of looks shiny but it's not shiny, so like yeah, maybe that's better, I don't know. Yeah, it's just like black on this side. It has Michael Kors in gold writing on the front, and it has like this little, I don't know what you call it, little tag thingy that says MK, obviously for Michael Kors. And then on the back it's just plain black leather. What I would say is this bag does look really nice quality. It looks like a really nice leather. It's a really nice size. It's got these little like thingy, like they look like pockets like on the sides, but like you probably could put stuff in them, but personally I'm not. It's like a shoulder bag, so it fits really nicely on your shoulder like that. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside because that's probably why you're watching the video. It's gonna be hard to show this bit because it's inside my bag, but there's like a little pocket that doesn't have a zip there, and then on the other side there's like a zip pocket here. I don't really know if you can see that, and then underneath that there's two more pockets. I'm just going to start showing you what's inside of it. So I'm going to start with like the main big section because that has the most stuff in, I think. Yeah, maybe not, I don't know. I've got 4 things in the big bit. So the first thing which I have is kind of what everyone carries in their handbag. That's kind of why you have it, to be honest, to store this. But I just have my purse, and my purse is from New Look. It's not really anything special, it's just a basic. It's actually really pretty though. It's like holographic and it's got a gold zip. Eventually I want to try and save up to get a black Michael Kors purse to match my bag because I think that will look nice. I got this on sale for really cheap as well, so I think it's like £5 or under. It just has a zip here which I store all my coins in, and then I just have my bank card, gift cards for places, receipts, and I also have some notes. I tend to just use my card now. I don't really carry around many notes because it's just easier on my card. But I did get some money from babysitting because I did some babysitting a few weeks ago. Next thing which I carry around is my Tangle Teezer, because if you go to my school or you just genuinely know me in real life, I always brush my hair because it's kind of an addiction, and I just feel like my hair looks really nice when it's brushed. It looks really shiny. I love Tangle Teezers because they make your hair feel really smooth and they get rid of knots like without pulling it. Yeah, I just have the pastel one obviously because I have everything pastel pretty much. The next thing which I have in my bag is a ladies thing. It's just a pad because girls, you don't want to be out shopping and you leak and you don't have a pad, so that's always useful. And the last thing I actually have in the big section is a snack. So I just have some more Teezers because if you know me, I get hungry a lot. I get hungry all the time. I'm always complaining to my friends that I'm hungry. I always like to carry a snack like wherever I go. And I would also normally carry some water because I get thirsty. I don't know what my problem is. If I don't drink then I get like ill, so yeah, like, and when I say I don't drink, I mean after like 5 minutes if I don't drink I get ill, so always got to drink water. But I don't have one in because I'm not going out today. And now I'm going to move on to the pockets inside. So you see like the front, there's like a pocket inside which is open on like the front side. In here I only store one thing. I only store these headphones just because if I store them in the main bit of my bag they're just going to get like messed up and tangled and stuff. Well, they're going to get tangled anywhere, but like I just thought that I'd put them in a more secure place, so that's all I have in here. Okay, moving on to the other side, so like the back of my handbag where there's loads of zips. You can't really see it. There's like a big one here and then 2 little ones. So yeah, I'm going to start off with like the big zip at the back. So the first thing I have in here is adorable, okay? It's this Ariana Grande perfume, but it's like the mini one. It's so cute. It's a sweet like candy one. I swear by this perfume. It's so nice. Like, let me just put some on. Okay, oh, there we go. It just smells so sweet, but it's not like sickly sweet. It's just like perfect. I got this for Christmas in a little gift set, so yeah, absolutely love that. And the next thing I have in the same zip pocket is a hand sanitizer, because often when I go out and use my handbag, I go out to eat at like a restaurant or something, so the worst thing is having sticky hands and not being able to wash them, so I just carry a hand sanitizer just in case. This is a Bath & Body Works pocket back in the scent Sweet Like Strawberries. It's a really nice fresh scent. And the next thing which I have in this pocket are some lip products, because if you don't know me, I love my lip products. If I'm not wearing any makeup like today, I just put on like a lip gloss or lip balm because I just love having lip products on. So first of all, I have a lip balm. This is the Baby Lips by Maybelline Lip Balm. This is a limited edition one from a year or 2 ago. It's in Hot Cocoa. It's just a really nice colour and it comes out like a really nice shiny colour. And the next lip product which I have is a lip gloss. I swear by this lip gloss. It's so good. It's the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. When I got this was the only shade that you can get, but it's such a gorgeous colour. It's like the perfect nudie like shiny colour. I try not to use it because it is quite an expensive lip gloss, but I think I'm going to buy a new one because I'm going to London the 26th of January I think, so if you're in London on Saturday 26th, come hit me up. And that is everything in that zip pocket. There's now 2 more pockets which I need to go through. The next pocket is the little phone pocket. So in here I just have my phone. Currently I have the iPhone 6s in rose gold, but my contract runs out in a couple of weeks, so I think I'm getting the iPhone XS. But yeah, it just fits my phone perfectly, to be honest. Not really much I can say. I'm going to do a what's on my iPhone when I get a new phone, so let me know down below if you want to see that or not, because I've already done 2 what's on my iPhones with this phone, so there's not much point doing another one. And the last pocket stores something kind of random, but like I'm going to show you it anyway. Basically for Christmas I got a gift card and you can spend it at quite a lot of shops. Just keep it in the last pocket because it's really secure, it's not going to fall out, and it just tells me what shops I can spend it at, because I don't think you can spend it at every shop in the UK, so it's just got a list of shops that you can spend it at, just so that when I'm out, like, I know what I can spend this gift card on. And yeah, my bag is now completely empty. I've showed you everything that I have inside. I haven't got a lot, but like I kind of do at the same time. I'm not really sure if that's a lot or not. That's everything in my handbag. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, because it helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys all next week for a new video. Bye!